Here's. Uh-oh, she's coming back down. Okay. Well, Scarlett was at about the fifth stair. Looks like she wants to come down. Aw. It's probably not the safest way, Scarlett. Watch out, Poppins. Come here. Come on. Hi, baby. Come here, Diesel.
Why would you do a circumcision? He doesn't even have to know. Starting up your dick is a little more telltale than when you sits back on the slide, Daddy.
Scarlett. Let's see how you get down from there.
I'll have a call. I'll have the doors. Besides, I love the opinion of Steelers right about this one.
You gonna go back up?
Fine. You guys want to have another cooperate without a signed consent form. Good luck.
Just like the stairs are so daunting.
You saw that, and that's what turned her on. Why are we here? Because
This is Scarlett at a few days over 8 months. For the record.
You're kidding me, right? Oh, contrary, my little originator.
So pretty.
Just get that away.
So pretty. Huh?
Got it, come and take her out.